Yeah. Kylie Jenner is shaking. Oh, shit. Hello, everybody. You read the title. You want to pass your learner's license, your driver's license at one go. You don't want to keep rewriting and becoming a statistic. This English word. You don't want to become a statistic. You don't want to fail. Basically, you want to pass. You don't want to waste money. Keep on rewriting until you do illegal things. But Anaho, I'm here to make sure that you pass. Get the flying colors. You do it once, you do it twice, but you still pass. So the first thing you gotta do when you want to make sure that you ace that learner's test is to get this book. Yes, this book. I used this book and I passed. The first time I used this book, which made me fail like a motherfucker because it's so outdated. Don't get this book, guys. Honestly, it's outdated. Get this book because it's relevant. It's still now. You know, there's this question that I kept on failing about how much oil must be in your car, how much tire pressure. Hey, what it's gonna do with me? It's not my job. I just want my latest license. But you gotta know that because now the problem idiots, they're gonna ask you stupid questions like, do you stop or wait at a stop sign? Or if your car rolls, how do you stop that car? Do you brake or do you put a handbrake up? You know, so you gotta know all of those things. Another thing, when you are writing your learner's license, right? Please fucking breathe and please take your time. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Don't see other children. You see those other children that are ending the test very fast. They failed. They failed with flying colors. They are shaking right now. They have to go rebook. Hey, it's a mission and a half, babes. Take your time. When that computer or whatever says, are you sure you want to end your test? Say no. Go back to question number 1 and recheck your questions. Another thing, do not change your answers. If you answered that one like that and you know it's that, do not change it because now you are going to fail. Understand? Right. Now you have your learner's license. Yippee! You are within. Now, please get a proper driving school, a proper driving instructor. You understand? You know why? These people that are just going to just teach you how to clutch, how to brake, they won't make you pass. I'm telling you, they are the forces of the devil. They are going to make you fail. See, at the licensing department, at the traffic department, baby girl, they don't play there. They fail you with flying colors. You see your mother dancing with Michael Jackson straight up. So get a proper driving school, the one that's going to teach you lessons. Get like maybe 20 to 30 lessons. I had to take 45 lessons. Okay, we all are different human beings. For me, it took me time to understand the clutch. Oh, the clutch is a motherfucker. Fuck. Yo! Clutch is a wow. But Anahu, I mastered that bitch. I'm in the with these. You understand? So take your time, drive, get to know it, get to know the car, understand the car, speak to the car. You know what? It must be you. When you test, have the same car. Because you are used to it. Don't test now with a 4x4 or a Ferrari when you are used to driving a test. Baby girl, you are going to fail. You are going to fail. Another thing, another rule that you must always remember behind your head. Respect your driving instructor, the testing instructor. Because yes, they are very mean. Because they are busy failing everybody the whole day. I'm sure they test like 10 people and only one person passes. That's very frustrating. So please, baby girl, respect your instructor because your future is in their hands. You understand? So if you're gonna fuck up your relationship with them, baby girl, you're going to go retest again and again and again. Whew! Wow. The next golden rule, I always emphasize this. Well, I didn't do it the first 4 times when I was testing because, bitch, I was scared. Breathe. Your nerves, you will feel your heart here. You will feel. Have you ever felt your tits sweating? Yes, that will happen, baby girl, when you are testing. Your tits will sweat because you are shaking everything. Your toes, your bones, your toenails are shaking because, baby girl, this is do or die. Breathe. I used this. This is a antidepressant. It's called Rescue. I had like 3 pills under my tongue. The 4th time, because the 3rd time I was nervous, I kept on rolling. Well, if you haven't seen that story time, there's a young link over there. You can go check it out. How I traumatic experience. But anywho, breathe, relax, calm down. You also have like an hour to test. You don't need to rush. Understand? You can go with 40 kilometers per hour. You understand? Because honestly to godly, they are not going anywhere. You will come back and test again if you're going to be charged and forward. Another thing, it is not the end of the world if you fail. If you fail, yes, it's painful. It's the most devastating thing ever. Have you ever the disrespect? But it's not the end of the world. It must just motivate you to go again, do it again, and then that person that failed you, you must say, yeah, I passed. Yeah, you understand. So it must just motivate you to pass, ne? Because many of us, babes, like me, let me tell you, me, I failed. Failing. I was like this with it. Like every time, the first time I failed, I stepped on the line. Second time, steep hill. Third time, steep hill. Hi. But fourth time, I was gonna show it like a Mara. I said, Mara, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pass with flying colors, and I passed. So don't be in a rush to do the things. Sometimes it's God timing. Sometimes it's the universe's timing. So yeah. But those are my tips and tricks and my gadgets that I used to pass my license. So yeah, you can comment down below. What are your issues? What did you struggle with when you are testing? And what advice do you give for those that are watching that really need the advice? Because honestly, right now they are Googling, they are YouTubing, they're like, Moscon, they don't want to fail. But I know who. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm watching you. I can't get now 50,000 views and less subscribers. Doesn't make sense. Subscribe, comment, and like. Let's get at least 10,000 likes because, for just. And I'll see you on the next video. Mwah. You're my lips. Kylie Jenner, it is shaking!